English for dining out. 150 phrases for a delicious experience, beginner to advanced. Hey food lovers, welcome back to English Phrase Camp. Ready to master restaurant English? Today we're serving up 150 essential phrases from beginner to advanced that'll help you dine like a local. From making reservations to handling special requests, we've got all the ingredients for a perfect dining experience. Let's dig in, and don't forget to subscribe and like for more tasty English lessons.
Beginner level phrases. Basic requests. Table for two, please.
Can I see the menu?
Water, please.
I'm ready to order.
Check, please.
Where's the bathroom?
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Can I have...
Is this taken?
Simple orders. I would like...
How much is...
What's this?
Is it spicy?
No ice, please.
More water, please.
Too hot.
Too cold.
Very good.
I'm finished.
Basic question. What's today's special?
Is this fresh?
Do you have an extra napkin?
What time do you close?
Can we sit here?
Is this available?
How long is the wait?
Do you take cards?
Can I have a receipt?
Where's our server?
Intermediate level phrases. Making reservations. I'd like to make a reservation.
Do you have any tables available?
What time can you accommodate us?
Is outdoor seating available?
Can we get a quiet table?
We'd prefer a window seat.
How long is the current wait time?
Can you seat us earlier?
Should I leave a deposit?
What's your cancellation policy?
Ordering specifics. How would you recommend this?
Is this cooked to order?
Can I substitute the sides?
What comes with this dish?
How is this prepared?
What's your most popular dish?
Is this enough for two?
Can I get this to go?
Does this contain nuts?
Can you make it less spicy?
Special requests. I have a food allergy.
Is this gluten-free?
I'm vegetarian vegan.
No onions, please.
Can you cook it well done?
I prefer it medium rare.
Extra sauce on the side.
Can you split the bill?
Do you offer kids portions?
Can I get a high chair?
Advanced level phrases. Complex orders. I'd like the salmon pan-seared, medium well.
Could you recommend a wine pairing?
What's the chef's interpretation of this dish?
Are the ingredients locally sourced?
Could you explain the preparation method?
What makes this dish unique?
Is this a regional specialty?
How would you describe the flavor profile?
Are there any tableside preparations?
What seasonal ingredients are featured?
Dietary discussions? I have severe allergic reactions to shellfish.
Could you ensure there's no cross-contamination?
What accommodation can you make for my dietary restrictions?
Is this suitable for someone with wheat allergy?
Are there any hidden ingredients I should know about?
Could you verify with the kitchen about allergens?
What are my plant-based options?
Is this prepared in a separate area?
Can you list all the ingredients?
Are there any modified options available?
Problem resolution. This isn't what I ordered.
I believe there's been a misunderstanding.
Could you check on our order?
This appears to be undercooked.
There seems to be a mistake on the bill.
Could we speak to the manager?
This isn't prepared as described.
Could you reheat this?
The service has been unsatisfactory.
This isn't what I expected.
Situational phrases. Wine and beverages. Could you describe this wine?
What's your house specialty drink?
Is this served chilled or room temperature?
Do you have a wine list?
What cocktails do you recommend?
Could I sample this wine?
Is this available by the glass?
What's your corkage fee?
Are there any drink specials?
Could you suggest a non-alcoholic alternative?
Special occasions. We're celebrating a birthday.
Could you arrange something special?
Do you do anything for anniversaries?
Can you accommodate a large group?
Is there a private dining area?
Could you bring out a surprise dessert?
Do you take group reservations?
Can we bring our own cake?
Is there a cake cutting fee?
Could you help arrange decorations?
Cultural and etiquette. What's the customary tip here?
Is sharing dishes acceptable?
Should we order individual courses?
What's the dress code?
Is this meant to be eaten with specific utensils?
How is this traditionally served?
Is it appropriate to eat with hands?
Should we wait for everyone's food?
Are photographs allowed?
Is it okay to pack leftovers?
Technical details. Does your payment system split bills?
Can I pay with a digital wallet?
Do you have contactless payment?
Is there a minimum charge for cards?
Can I get an itemized receipt?
Do you accept foreign currency?
Is service charge included?
Do you have a loyalty program?
Can I modify my reservation online?
Is there a QR code menu?
Specific preferences. Could you butterfly the chicken?
I prefer my steak rare.
Can you serve the dressing on the side?
I'd like my eggs over medium.
Could you trim the fat?
Please don't add any garnish.
Can you make this extra crispy?
I'd like it prepared tableside.
Could you debone this for me?
Can you adjust the seasoning?
Closing interactions. Could we get these wrapped separately?
We'd like to compliment the chef.
Everything was excellent.
Could you call us a taxi?
Is validated parking available?
Do you have takeout menus?
Can we make a standing reservation?
Would you recommend reservations next time?
What are your holiday hours?
Do you offer catering services?